Yeah, just a quick video, my friends. Just come back from McDonald's. We are currently in the car and we're going to eat. Okay, what do you have here? What is this?
Chicken mayo.
This is a chicken mayo.
Yeah.
What else do you have?
Fries. Coke.
Coke.
And an apple pie.
Apple pie. Very good.
And a paper bag.
Paper bag. Bit blustery outside, folks.
We are in front of the Barry Duck.
We're in front of the docks, which is now empty, of course, except for flats.
More houses.
A couple of houses.
Playground.
Okay, let's try my chicken mayo. Here it is. Chicken mayo. Yep, it's very nice. Good at the docks.
And some fries. Fries with no salt. That ride is not working. No one's in it.
Yep, chicken mayo is going down well. It's a little bit dry, probably a bit short on the mayo. So look at yours. Is it dry inside?
Yeah.
Yeah, no mayo.
Only little there.
Only a little bit of mayo. Of course, we used to say in America, heavy on the mayo. Okay, my friends, that's it. See you on the next one. Over and out.
Bye.